My lovely viewers, Assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon you. My lovely viewers, I hope you all are fine. My lovely viewers, inshallah, today I am telling you some home remedies of honey. Maybe this home remedies will help you. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. 1. Honey and lemon for sore throat. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 cup warm water. Method: mix honey and lemon juice in warm water. Gargle with the mixture for relief. Timing: repeat 2 to 3 times a day as needed. 2. Honey and cinnamon for acne. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Method: mix honey and cinnamon to form a paste. Apply on acne-prone areas and Eve for 15-20 minutes. Timing: repeat daily for best results. 3. Honey and oatmeal for dry skin. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons oatmeal. Method: mix honey and oatmeal to make a thick paste. Apply on dry skin and leave for 20-30 minutes. Timing: use 2 to 3 times a week. 4. Honey and ginger for digestive issues. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 cup warm water. Method: mix honey and ginger in warm water. Drink slowly. Timing: drink after meals as needed. 5. Honey and apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 cup water. Method: mix honey and apple cider vinegar in water. Drink before meals. Timing: drink 2 to 3 times a day. 6. Honey and garlic for cold and flu. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, 1 clove garlic crushed. Method: mix honey and crushed garlic. Consume directly. Timing: take once daily until symptom improve. 7. Honey and turmeric for immunity boost. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Method: mix honey and turmeric to form a paste. Consume directly or mix in warm milk. Timing: take daily in the morning. 8. Honey and aloe vera for sunburn. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. Method: mix honey and aloe vera gel. Apply on sunburnt skin. Timing: repeat 2 to 3 times a day until relief. 9. Honey and coconut oil for hair conditioning. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Method: mix honey and coconut oil. Apply on damp hair. Leave for 30 minutes, then rinse. Timing: use weekly for soft, shiny hair. 10. Honey and almonds for energy boost. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, a handful of almonds. Method: dip almonds in honey and eat. Timing: consume as a snack when feeling low on energy. 11. Honey and tea tree oil for dandruff. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons honey, 5 drops tea tree oil. Method: mix honey and tea tree oil. Massage into the scalp. Leave for 30 minutes then wash. Timing: use 2-3 times a week for dandruff-free hair. 12. Honey and chamomile for insomnia. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, 1 chamomile tea bag, 1 cup hot water. Method: steep chamomile tea bag in hot water, add honey and drink before bedtime. Timing: drink nightly for better sleep. 13. Honey and yogurt for digestive health. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons honey, 1 cup yogurt. Method: mix honey into yogurt and consume. Timing: have it daily as a snack or with meals. 14. Honey and mint for bad breath. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon honey, a handful of fresh mint leaves. Method: Chew on fresh, mint leaves and then consume honey. Timing. Use as needed, for fresh breath. 15. Honey and Epsom salt for muscle pain. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons honey, 1 2-cup Epsom salt, warm bath water. Method: dissolve honey and Epsom salt in warm bath water. Soak affected muscles for 20-30 minutes. Timing. Use as needed for muscle pain relief. What is Epsom salt? My lovely viewers, answer will be in my description. See the description if you wanna knows it. Dear viewers, your love and support mean the world to me. Thank you sincerely for tuning into my videos. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends and family, leaving a comment, and subscribing to my channel. Your engagement truly fuels my passion for creating content. May Allah shower His blessings upon each and every one of you. Ameen. Thank you for being a part of this journey with me.